Hello, how are you friends? US-based Onpassive opens India headquarters in Hyderabad. The facility will accommodate 380 employees now, which will spike up to over 1,000 next year. Hyderabad, US-based Onpassive, a provider of predictive, intelligent business automation services, opened its first facility in India at Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. The campus will serve as the head office for India operations. The new facility at present has 380 staff members and will soon become home for over 1,000 employees by 2021 and will continue to grow steadily in the coming years. Onpassive CEO Ash Mufareh, who joined the team virtually from the USA for the inauguration, said, "The way we have grown over these few months is definitely remarkable. The new campus will be the head office of Onpassive India, and we plan to expand pan-India in the years to come. It is an artificial intelligence-centric company, which is dedicated to creating completely automated, targeted traffic and money (CATMO) generating business solutions, which bypasses the need for direct selling and recruiting. Entrepreneurs with an existing new business can use the company's products to create a digital footprint or increase their online customer base. Onpassive is the total internet solution (TIS) with a complete ecosystem of tools and applications. We are in it." Future founder, thank you for watching videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.